Hey guys, today we're going to learn Plush by Stone Temple Pilots. And we are going to learn the intro and the pre-chorus. So let's get started with that intro. So what we're going to do is we're kind of going to be in a G position for this one, but we're only going to do the bottom portion of the G chord. So I'm starting out with my fingers on my pinky and my third finger. My third finger is on the third fret of the B string, and my pinky is on the third fret of the high E string. And so we're going to play the bottom 4 strings. So that's the first part. And then we're going to go to this chord. It's kind of like a D7. So if you know a D7 like this, it's just in a different position. So here to a D7 chord. So if you need to know what I've got, so I've got my pinky still on the 3rd fret. I've lifted up my 3rd finger. My first finger is on the 2nd fret of the B string, and my second finger is on the 3rd fret of the G string. So, alright, so the beginning 2 times here, then 1 time here, and then we're just going to slide these 2 down to here. So now my pinky's still there, and my first finger is on the B string on the 1st fret, my second finger is on the G string on the 2nd fret. So we play that one twice. So from the beginning, second part, and then for the last part we keep our pinky there and we just play those 4 strings. Alright, so let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, and then we're going to walk up to that first part again. So we're going to hit all 4 strings each time. So we're going to do this one more time. Open. So first finger on the 1st fret, then second finger on the 2nd, then we start over. So let's do the whole thing. That's the whole riff, and we just do that twice at the beginning. So 1, 2, ready, go. Beginning. Let's do that one more time a little slower. 1, 2, ready, and so that's the intro. Now I told you we were going to learn the intro and the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus is that part that goes. Alright, let's try that. So I'm going to put the delay on because that's more of what their sound is. And if you like my equipment, you want to learn what I have, check the description below and you can learn what effects I'm using for this, what equipment I'm using, and if you have any requests, just leave those in the comments. So we're going to start with a D chord right here. Okay, but we're going to be picking these chords, not strumming them. So we're going to do just D, D, G, B. So D, and then between this we're just going to go between the A string and the G string. So now I've got my second finger on the 3rd fret, and then we're going to go to the 2nd fret, let's try that again. So we play 3 here, 2 here, then 3. And if you check the description, I know this one's kind of hard to follow, that pre-chorus part. If you check the description, I will have a tablature for it, and I'll have a play along coming up with all of these parts. So let's do that one more time really slowly. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As I said, there will be a play along for this song coming up pretty soon that you can that will have tablature with it. If you like my videos, click subscribe and leave any comments below. Also check out my description for some guitar courses that I have coming up, and to just stay updated on all of the new things I have coming out. See you next time.